music.
If it's the rocky road, I'm gonna travel every load. I'm gonna carry it. I keep it positive. My sister, how about you?
Poetry.
Freedom, my freedom. You save me. You tore my chain. You release my pain.
African people.
Storytelling.
And you know, so we never born big. So the big people come on the earth first. The first pair of people that came on the planet Earth are children.
The arts page this week is out in St. Thomas at a school that is using entertainment to educate the community about the country's rich cultural offerings. Not a regular stage show or art exhibit, but an evening of edutainment, knowledge and power delivered through music, comedy, poetry and dance.
Africans with an African pride, fighting to attain our rights.
Sankofa Preparatory and Learning Center, based in Albion, St. Thomas, is taking teaching outside the classroom and into the community. Borrowing the Ghanaian dialect of Akan, Sankofa staged a cultural event under the banner of Yenkassa. The private institution, supported by government, embeds an appreciation for the African culture in its teachings. That expanded into the community of Albion recently.
We should offer a space where the African perspective is heralded. Our curriculum, the things that we bombard our children with, the methodology that we use is more of someone else's. And too often there's not enough material that teaches us that Africa is a place of origin, that we as black people are to be proud.
Under the Yenkassa movement, Sankofa brought together local and international artists to share the stage with the children.
Nothing can tear me, not even the pressures of life. Nothing can wear me, not even heartache or strife. In this life so complicated, you better be wise.
The black skin is not a badge of shame, but rather a glorious symbol of national greatness. We can't understand. You're not black, you're not white. You just a mash up me eyesight. A long time with independent. That means we have our own government. This a proof that which Union Jack. The color them are go green and black. Jamaica 50, Jamaica 50.
Jean, how your teeth is not clean? Jean, how your order so mean? For you come a classroom, you have to come clean.
The event was supported by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission.
Marcus Garvey taught us,
never stop reading.
The parents also endorsed the cultural evening.
Well, Yenkassa, as we say, is Africanness. And today in Jamaica, we realize a lot of people are straying away from them Africanness. We are straying away because we are not comfortable with ourselves. So anything to show that self-confidence, I am glad.
For a school, a prep school, putting on an event like this, a cultural event, yeah man, it's a great thing, you see it. And it's needed. I mean, it would be great if more of the prep schools in Jamaica put more Africanness in their, activity, in their, in the teachings. I know we have to follow the curriculum and things, but, we need to go more African-oriented.
It's an intimate event. It's small. I don't think you have a lot of sponsorship. But look at the quality. Look at the presentation and the energy of the place,
The school says its aim to bring culture to the wider community does not end with Yenkassa. There are more projects in the planning under its not-for-profit company, Sankofa Center for Cultural Retention.
We will write our stories, we will interview our ancestors, our elders, and hold those stories before they disappear.
Africans with an African pride, fighting